Come in my video. Now go this way with the snow in the background. Oh! Oh! Is it though?
Yeah.
Salty.
Is it? It's probably the ocean.
Say something?
Ew.
Should we just stay here?
Where'd you come from?
Yeah.
No, that's not true. Oh.
It's fun with all the smoke going around.
It's a shame this isn't lower so we could sit there.
You could. Oh yeah, because it's.
It was funny.
Yeah, I'm not going to enjoy getting out.
Wait, how do you... Oh, that's weird.
What?
I wanted to put my feet under the thing, but... Maybe tomorrow we should do laps. What do you think? I've got my Google.
I'm just doing double pedals.
Don't you want to do laps?
I don't want to wet my hair. It's nice with all the smoke.
Go, swim, doggy paddle. Are you swimming? You're not next to me.
Doggy pedals?
Anytime.
I'm fast.
Don't be
I've got a fart problem.
That's on video. It's gonna be on YouTube. Everyone's gonna be like, those people wanted to come in and they saw the clientele and left.